Semen analysis is a crucial diagnostic test to assess male fertility and reproductive health. It examines the quality and quantity of sperm present in a man's semen, providing valuable insights into his ability to father a child. Semen analysis is commonly performed to investigate infertility or potential reproductive issues. Here is an overview of what is typically assessed during a semen analysis. Sperm count. This measures the total number of sperm present in 1 milliliter (ml) of semen. 15 millions per milliliter or above is deemed normal by the World Health Organization. Sperm motility. This determines the percentage of sperm that are actively moving and their forward progression. Motility is an essential factor for sperm to reach and fertilize the egg. At least 50% of sperm should display progressive motility for optimal fertility. Sperm morphology. Morphology refers to the shape and structure of sperm. A high percentage of normally shaped sperm is essential for successful fertilization. Generally, more than 4% of normal-shaped sperm is considered normal. Semen volume. This measures the amount of semen ejaculated during ejaculation. A normal semen volume is usually around 1.5 milliliter or more. Other factors that may be assessed in a semen analysis include pH levels, liquefaction time, the time it takes for semen to become liquid after ejaculation, and white blood cell count. To obtain accurate and reliable results, it's important to follow specific guidelines for semen sample collection. It's generally recommended to abstain from ejaculation for 2 to 5 days before providing the sample. The semen sample is collected into a sterile container and analyzed in a laboratory by trained professionals. Interpreting the results of a semen analysis is complex, and a qualified healthcare provider, typically an infertility specialist or reproductive endocrinologist or a urologist, should analyze the findings and offer appropriate guidance based on the individual's specific circumstances. If any abnormalities are detected during the semen analysis, further testing may be recommended to determine the underlying cause and explore potential treatment options to improve fertility. It's crucial to